Today we're exploring the world of ginger. More than just a spice, it's a powerhouse of flavor and health benefits. Stick around as we delve into its origins, its incredible health benefits, and I'll share some tips on how to incorporate this amazing root into your daily life. Let's start with the roots, literally. Ginger, scientifically known as Zingiber officinale, is a flowering plant that originated in Southeast Asia. It has a rich history dating back over 5,000 years, with its use in ancient Chinese and Indian cultures for both culinary and medicinal purposes. As the spice trade routes developed, ginger found its way into various cuisines around the world, becoming a staple in many kitchens. Now let's talk about the incredible health benefits of ginger. This humble root is not just a culinary delight, it's a nutritional powerhouse. 1. Ginger contains bioactive compounds like gingerol, known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties may help combat oxidative stress in the body. 2. Ginger has long been celebrated for its digestive benefits. It can help alleviate nausea, reduce indigestion, and even ease motion sickness. 3. Potential pain relief. Some studies suggest that ginger may also have pain-relieving properties, making it a natural option for those dealing with muscle soreness or arthritis. Now that we know how amazing ginger is for our health, let's talk about incorporating it into our daily lives. Here are some tips. 1. Fresh versus ground. Fresh ginger offers a zesty, pungent taste, while ground ginger tends to be more subtle. Find what works best for your recipes. 2. Culinary Delight. Ginger can elevate the flavor of both sweet and savory dishes. Add it to stir-fries, soups, marinades, or even baked goods for a delightful kick. 3. DIY ginger tea. For a soothing beverage, make your own ginger tea. Steep fresh ginger slices in hot water. Add honey and lemon for a refreshing and health-boosting drink. And there you have it, ginger, a versatile and healthful addition to your kitchen. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or someone looking to boost their well-being, ginger has something to offer. Let us know in the comments how you love to use ginger in your kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking and stay healthy. Thanks for watching.